The Bifrost Wallet app is quickly gaining recognition in the crypto space for its intuitive interface and seamless multi-chain functionality. From the moment you open the app, the design prioritizes user experience, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned investors to navigate. Security is at the forefront, with advanced encryption protocols ensuring private keys remain stored locally on your device. This eliminates the risk of centralized breaches and gives users full control over their digital assets. Bifrost Wallet supports multiple blockchains, allowing users to manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a range of altcoins all in one place. Transactions are fast and transparent, with real-time notifications that keep you updated on every transfer and market movement. The app integrates staking and yield farming directly into its interface, providing opportunities for users to earn passive income in dollars while holding their cryptocurrencies. Bifrost also offers a built-in decentralized exchange, allowing seamless swaps between supported tokens without leaving the wallet. The wallet's performance is optimized for both Android and iOS devices, ensuring smooth navigation even when managing large portfolios. Transaction fees are competitive, and the app provides clear breakdowns of costs, so users can plan their investments efficiently. In addition, Bifrost offers a backup and recovery feature, allowing users to restore their wallet safely in case of device loss or failure. Overall, the Bifrost Wallet app combines security, versatility, and convenience into a single platform. Its multi-chain support, staking opportunities, and built-in exchange make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage and grow their cryptocurrency holdings. Whether you're transferring funds, trading tokens, or exploring passive income options, Bifrost delivers a reliable and efficient experience in the world of digital finance.